Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ayush. So today we are going to see a C program to find largest number from an array. That array would be specifically the numeric array. So let's start. As always, we'll need our variables first. I have declared variable I which will be used as an iterator in the for loop. Then the variable n is the number of elements you want to enter in the array. Then max will be the variable which will store the value of the maximum element. Then as we are going to find largest number from an array, we'll need an array. I have specified the size as 100 because we are gonna ask the user how much numbers he or she wants to enter. So we'll print that message that enter the number of elements between 1 to 100. Then after user will enter the number of elements, it will be stored in variable n. After completing this step, we need to input those number of elements from user. For that, we are going to use this for loop. In this for loop, we will iterate the value of I until then its value gets n, that is the number of elements user wants to enter. Here the visual will be good because every time it will ask enter number 1, then enter number 2. It will give us the total number of elements one by one. After taking input of array from user, we'll move towards the main logic, that is finding the maximum. As of now, we will assign the first array element as the maximum because we will start comparing from first element to last element. So our maximum as of now is array of 0, that is 0th position of array. Suppose our array elements are 1 2 5 4 3. Then the first number will be 1 and the value of maximum is 1. So let me add a sticky note for better understanding. Suppose this is our array 1 2 5 and 4. So the maximum is assigned as array of 0, that is as of now max is equals to 1. Moving towards checking the for loop for the main logic, that is value of I would be 0. Let's check this condition, that is array of I, that is array of 0 is less than array of I plus 1, that is 2. Now let's check if 1 is less than 2, then assign max is equals to array of I plus 1. Therefore here 1 is less than 2, the condition is less than 2, the condition is true. Therefore we will assign max as array of I plus 1, that is array of I plus 1 is 2. As of now the value of max is 2. Moving towards again iterating our loop, this time the value of I will be 1. Comparing array of 1 with array of 2. See, 2 is less than 5, the condition is true, and that's why we'll assign the max as 5. Again coming to our loop, this time the value of I will be 3. That therefore comparing the array of comparing, this time it will be 2. Comparing array of 2 with array of 3, that would be 5 is less than 4, the condition is false, therefore this statement will not be executed, and we will move towards our main logic. As there are 4 elements, the if value of I gets 4, the loop this condition will be false and loop will be terminated, and finally we will get the value of our maximum, which will be print at last with this printf statement, that is largest element is equals to %d, which is stored in the variable max. So let's check our program. Let's compile it. After compilation, we'll run that program. Now enter the number of elements. I'll enter 4 and enter number 1, which will be 1, number 2 will be 2, number 3 will be 5, and number 4 will be 4. As I had given you that example, this would be the same one. See, largest element is 5 as we calculated. I'll run it again to clear your doubts. This time I'll enter 5. First number will be 54. I'm entering the random numbers. Second will be 23. Third will be 98. Fourth will be 67. And fifth will be 42. Let's run this. See, largest element is 98. That is a correct answer. So in this way you can find the largest number from an array. There is no need to specify this type of message. You can directly give the message as enter 5 numbers, enter 10 numbers. I have just given it for better understanding and better efficiency of that program. So I hope you understood this program. If you like my video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.